I'm pretty picky about the car mounts that I get, and I don't know why, but I feel like I haven't found the perfect car mount solution. But in this video, I'm actually gonna go over what I think is actually a pretty decent option. What's up, tech? It's Josh here, and in this video, we're going over a car mount that I think offers some pretty good solutions for someone that might be a little bit picky about their car mount. Some of the main things that I look for in a car mount these days are MagSafe compatibility. This one checks that off. I need different mounting options because my Ford Explorer just doesn't have the best positioning for a car mount. Like, I'm not completely happy with the windshield. I don't like vent mounts. I'll show you how that works, but me, I just don't like those. The reason is because I live in the hot South and I need that air conditioner blowing all the air as much as possible because it just gets so hot in this area. I don't want the air blocked. So there's that reason why I don't use a vent mount. Then there's one to where you can kind of mount almost anywhere. And I like that one probably the most. And then the last one is you have a disc that you can mount it on your dash somewhere on top. I don't like that one. And it's, again, kind of going back to my Explorer material, is that it just doesn't stick. But if you do have a surface that works well, that could be a mounting point that you might like. Let's go over some of the features that actually kind of stand out pretty well. For a while now, I've actually been using a car mount that's MagSafe, but doesn't have any kind of charging solution. So that's what this brings to the table. It's got wireless charging 2.0. It's actually fast wireless charging, CARMOUNT 2.0, and it supports 15 watts of fast charging. Instant magnet lock, the easiest and most secure way to lock your phone into the car. You've got 4 different mounting solutions, and I've already kind of gone over that. You got the vent, you got 2 different kind of dash mounts, and then your windshield. MagSafe is so important to me that even my Pixel phone, I have to have a MagSafe case so that way I can use all my MagSafe accessories. So it's very important to me to have MagSafe compatibility, and this works just fine. I'm able to use my Pixel MagSafe case. This is actually the Peak Design case. It snaps on there just fine. It feels rather secure. The iPhone feels a bit more secure than the Peak Design case, but I feel like it's gonna be just fine on either case. No pun intended. I would definitely check out your MagSafe securitiness, whatever word that you want to use. You want to test out and make sure that MagSafe is strong enough to hold the phone before you stick the mount onto a surface. Now, if you're using the vent or the windshield mount, it's removable, or at least a lot more removable than the 3M sticky pads that you got with the 2 different dash mounts. I really like the fact that it's got wireless charging. That's actually a pretty big bonus because most of the time I have to connect a cable to my charging ports in the car. But speaking of cables though, I'm not the biggest fan of the charging port being connected to the disc. The reason is because, especially onto the windshield mount, it just really sticks out far. With that said, I'm gonna have to get a longer USB-C cable, which I'm actually glad that it's USB-C, but I'm gonna get a longer one so that way I can route it down the neck of the mount and then down through my car, so that way I'm not having this cable that's all just in the way. If you're using the other mounting options like the dash ones, it's a lot closer to it, so it's not as big of a deal, but I think I would definitely prefer the cable connection point to be towards the base of the mount versus this. I see why they have this kind of mounting placement because it's, you're able to take that disc and put it onto the different mounting points. So with that said, it's not like a deal breaker to me, but you do have to kind of get some management involved. Cable management. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I feel like I haven't found the perfect car mount for this kind of stuff. Honestly, I just need to get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto installed into my car. That would really just kind of solve a lot of issues. But for people like me in the situations like I have, I'm still looking for the perfect one. I do think that this is a really good option, just not perfect. But is there a perfect car mount out there? Let me know in the comments if you found one, and I'm actually really interested. Out of the 4 mounting options that I showed you here, which one do you like the most? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you next video.